listen to the three of you. I'm gonna say at 10 o'clock. We go back there before we start cleaning.
Oh yeah, definitely. It'll take us that long to do everything. Clean up, call an hour and a half when I get home before I have to be at work. That sucks.
What'd you do?
Oh well, that's fine.
Mix them up, bro. Jenny? Yeah.
Okay, we were just trying to make sure we know where everybody is.
Buddy, if you're here with us, can you close the door down there by your teddy bears? What's that?
Oh. That was a door though. That door.
That door just opened.
That door just opened. Yes! Yes!
Oh my.
Thank you.
Thank you.
That knob
What was that?
turned.
No, the door hit that. The door
Oh,
hit that.
okay.
That
All the way
knob
open. You
turned.
could hear it, couldn't you?
The one that's wide open?
Yeah.
Yes.
I closed it all the way too.
Well, my camera got it.
Can you close that door?
Thank you, buddy.
Thank you so much.
You just hear footsteps down there?
I heard a lot of movement
It was
down
the
there.
door when it